Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to the channel 360 Crypto. I'm your host, 360. I'm excited. First video. It's gonna be raw. There's gonna be a lot of stuttering. I might fix it in post production. I might not. I might leave it the way it is. But thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And first episode. Yeah, we're gonna go over some crypto. Hope you guys are ready. I put up a couple of questions to ask myself on the first show. I already know I did a small intro. This is gonna be a little more of a longer intro, a little more in depth. Oop, gotta fix the camera a little bit. We're gonna go a little more in depth to myself, my age, the transparency of this channel, what I want to do, what I want to bring for everybody. My name is Erick, last name Lomelli. I'm Hispanic. I'm 32 years old. My birthday's coming up, Thanksgiving. Crazy time that I'm actually starting this crypto channel because I actually started investing in crypto the week before my birthday back in 2017, guys. And ever since then, I've been passionate about crypto. I just love it. I love crypto. I love just everything about it. Obviously, you can make money off of it. And the goal is here for myself and you guys so we all can chase that financial freedom. This channel is here basically to express myself and talk about the things I've done, the things I invested. And one question I have here set up is I asked myself, why did I get into crypto? Well, the reason I got into crypto was in November 27. No, I lie. I got into crypto November 24th of 2017 when Bitcoin was going up in price, 18,000, 20,000. Before that, I was searching a way to, I wanted to be financial free. I think everybody does, they want to take their family out, spend time with them. Get to this point, guys, I am not financial free. I still work. I have a hustle, what you can call it. I sell things online on eBay. I also do Uber and Lyft. I also do photography and videography. So I do my own edits. And I invested a lot into my craft in, photography and videography. I got into crypto when Bitcoin was pumping. And I did buy at the top. And I seen it crash down to 3,000. And I can show you. In this show, I'm going to show you my spreads, what I've been investing, how much I'm investing. I want to be full transparent with everybody in this channel. I know most channels don't really show their crypto portfolios. Some do, some don't. Hey, whatever, no hate here. I'm here to just express myself and, why I'm so passionate about crypto. Do I own Bitcoin? Yes, I do own Bitcoin. We will go over that in another show, another video. We'll go over how much crypto I have. We'll go over my portfolio and, kind of give you guys an insight on what I'm doing. And again, guys, I'm trying to chase the same goal as everybody, to be financially free, help out my parents, especially coming from a Hispanic family. I'm Hispanic, first generation. Saving up was the only thing, right? Save your money, put it in the bank account. Never was put it into investment, invest into the stocks, because Hispanics don't know about that. So I learned a lot and I'm thankful. We're here in 2021, actually, 2021. We just been through a bear market. We're on a bull run right now. I'm excited, guys. Another question I asked myself for you guys, I put, what have I invested in? Well, I invested into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and there's a lot of other little coins that I'm going to show you as well in my portfolio. And again, I'm going to be full transparent, how much I buy, how much I put in. And again, guys, I do Uber, I do Lyft, and I resell stuff online. I'm still not financially free. Another question I asked myself right here that I have listed is, what are my goals for this channel? First and foremost, I want to teach people how to invest. I want to teach people how to put their money to work for themselves. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so whatever I say right here is for education purpose only and entertainment. You got to do your own research. You got to do what works for you. Not everything's going to work the same for everybody. You might get some little things from me, from other people, but in the end, it's ultimately how much are you willing to lose, how much time you're willing to put in, and to invest in cryptocurrencies and even stocks, because I do have stocks, you know? So again, I want to grow this channel. My goal, guys, in the intro, the first intro that I did is I said I want to do an interview with Anthony, big crypto enthusiast that I follow. He's top 3, number 1 in my list. Brock Pierce, another guy, I would love to do an interview with him. I want to grow this channel. I want to grow with you guys. I want to grow a community. I want to build something together. I want to be fully transparent. I just want to be the best that I can be for myself and be my own crypto channel, informational, what you can say, or just talk about my passion. But we are, again, we are going to go over charts. I'm not a technical analysis guy. I know how to read charts, but I still have a lot to learn. I have a buddy of mine that's teaching me. I watch YouTube videos. I am in groups that show you technical analysis. Again, guys, whatever I show you here, just make sure that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to put in. You have to make that decision for yourself. I want to get myself more educated with this channel, which is going to force me to do a lot of research for me and you. And that's what I'm excited for too. So again, that's another goal for the channel. Goes back to, I want to grow this community. I want to learn together. You guys send me your comments or whatever. I might not be the best at speaking because I got to get used to it. I know a lot of YouTubers are so used to it. So it's just kind of weird looking at a camera and just talking. So hopefully over time I get better with that as well. Also, one thing I want to do different is I want to explore other crypto channels together. So what I mean is I want to go to YouTube, we watch the review, whether it be 5-10 minutes, and I brainstorm and I think like, well, I heard of this coin, I haven't heard of this coin. Should you invest? Again, it's up to you. Right now, guys, I'm really into the metaverse tokens. A little more back history for myself. I used to work for GameStop, and gaming is, I play games. As you can see, I have a PC in the back. So gaming is another big plus. So I am invested into metaverse tokens. I will show you my portfolio once again. Words can't describe what I want to say. I'm taking this leap to create this YouTube channel, and I'm excited. I got inspired a lot by Crypto Mason, Palm, Wendy-O Crypto, BitBoy. The thing is, now I'm doing it. I should have done it 2017, but again, the should-haves don't count. I'm doing it now. It might take a year, 2 years to grow, but I'm still going to be doing crypto. I'm still going to be investing. I'm still going to be doing what I do. Just thank you guys for being here. I know these past couple of days, the market's been red. Bitcoin's been going from 69 to 58. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've been through a bear market. I'm talking about seeing Bitcoin at 3,000, at 5,000. And it's only getting more harder and harder to get Bitcoin. So you got to stack those stats. That's all I got to say. Look into projects that you want to invest and have something right behind it, backed up, whether it's changing, the dental industry, the retail industry, I don't know, whatever. But again, we're here to do research together and build something. Really quick, let's go look at the markets. Close that. All right, guys. So again, guys, I actually told you guys that I am part of a group, a technical analysis group, and they do give calls. We'll go over this last. Here's another one. This is a free one. In the future, I do want to end up getting this one. It's $365 for a full year. But right now, again, self-employed. I make good ends meet. Do I want to make more money? Of course, everybody wants to make more money. So later in the future, I would actually sign up, give you guys the calls, join my Discord, and you guys will get the calls for free. So we'll go over this. So as we look at the market, there's still a lot of red. You got Gala 241% from a week. Wow, that's really good. Believe that's a metaverse token. You got Sand. I think the metaverse tokens are doing really, really good right now. Avalanche, one of my favorites right here. Funny story. I'm actually going to give you guys a quick little story. When I was trading, I do trade. I do leverage trading, spot trading, and we'll go over that in some videos, but I got wrecked. I'm talking about I got wrecked. with AVAX. So I can't wait to show you guys. I lost a lot of money, but hey, you live and learn, right? I'm actually investing to Raka. This is another good coin. I kind of got in early. I think I got in when it was 004. So this is another good coin that we can talk about. Again, guys, a lot of these coins, if you're buying the dip, buy the dip, build the bags. What I'm going to show you guys, the bags that I built over the last years. Am I rich? No, I am not rich. Am I a millionaire? No, I'm not a millionaire. But I have a decent portfolio and I'm going to keep growing it. So these are the crypto bubbles. VET's another really good coin. I never heard of this coin. So it'll be interesting to, when we're doing research, that we look into coins that I don't know about. Again, guys, Bitcoin, stock to flow. If you guys seen this, the motto is basically, this asset is a scare asset that basically doesn't inflate. It's a deflationary, it's not a deflationary token, but there's a scarcity, that's demand and supply, guys, of 21 million Bitcoin. That's it. You got to keep in mind, 21 million Bitcoin, right? So as the chart goes up, it's following the stock to flow, up, down, up, down. Again, the market's always going to go up and is always going to go down. It's a fun roller coaster of what I tell myself. But, look, it's about to hit, guys. Bitcoin, I honestly think we'll see 1 million, by 2035, to be honest with you. But, maybe sooner, maybe later, but 2035, 2040, So again, the stock to flow is still following. It's actually going to hit soon again. So let me reiterate this, guys. 21 million Bitcoins in the world. 100 million are locked up with Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet. Okay? There's only about 18 in circulation. The coins are getting harder and harder to get. So stack those stats. So as we look at the trading view timeline history, let's see. Again, good news, bad news. Good news with Miami. Good news with, tap into the new future. I'm guessing this is the new upgrade that just happened. The tap rat. We're gonna go over that too, guys. It's only gonna get better. We're still kind of early. You're not late. Build those bags. Get those stats. Here's the update from the group that I'm in. Let's bring it up really quick. Which would be this one right here.
Hey everyone, so here is the 4-hour Bitcoin chart going back to last March, but we're kind of the same situation. Ethereum looks in more rough shape than Bitcoin, but the pivot here is 59,400, let's call it, and that comes from the previous highs back in May. We traded above it for some time, mid-October, late October, early November. Now we're really testing this level. We need to stay above where we're at right now. So it's a pivotal moment here. Right now, trading at 59,500. If we get below there, I look for an additional drop towards 51,000, 50,000 or so. So yeah, just be very careful. I think this is now the likely scenario. Drop down here to 50,000, 51,000. I'm preparing for it. So it makes sense on, from a perspective of support, you have a confluence of activity. You have a really major pivot point here at 52,000. And then you have the corresponding trend line originating from back in late July. That comes in roughly, kind of intersects with that pivot point here at 52,000. So it would make sense if price breaks this and gets back down there. And at that level, it would be a really big buy zone for me. So just be very careful here. We might see an additional drop.
All right, guys, that was the update on Bitcoin. Now let's listen to Ethereum.
I wanted to make a video on Ethereum, and then I'll make another one on Bitcoin. So we have to be a little careful here. Last night's market drop changed the structure of the market a little bit. So I have the current pivot point lower, but everyone is focusing on this pivot point here. Everyone is focusing on the previous high, which back in May, roughly 4,500. We traded above it for some time here in November, early November, and now we're below it, obviously, and we're staying below it. This is very worrying. So usually when you have a big drop in the market, sometimes, especially in crypto markets, the price to come right back, and it's right back above the pivotal level, which usually is bullish. You take out stops, and then you move higher, and it kind of just flushes the system, and then you can bids come back into the market. There are no offers left, and on the way you go. However, when you stay below the pivotal level here, which is going to be around 4,400 for significant time, which now has been 12, 13, 14 hours now, it makes me want to start paying attention to the next lower level, which I think is going to be 3,600 or so. And usually I like to match up this trend line. So this trend line coming from the July low of 1,800. So like to match it up with a pivot. So we'll just move this pivot lower. Yeah, so something like that. There's some highs here and connecting the lows back in May. Somewhere in this area, I guess maybe we could get a wick down to the 3,300 area, but I look for 3,600 to be supported, especially if we can't get above 4,400 anytime soon. So as long as we're staying below 4,400, I'm going to look for an additional drop towards 35, 34, 3,300. So I think at least we'll get somewhat of a bounce in that level, and then ultimately, if that doesn't hold, the major support is down here at 2,200, 2,250, and that would be a major buy zone. But I think at the minimum, we have to pay attention to this level here, 3,300, 3,400, and I think initially we'll get a significant bounce. However, that bounce, we'll address that when that happens. But just keep that on your radar here. We could see an additional drop here in crypto markets.
There you have it, guys. Ethereum can drop, Bitcoin can drop. Hey, it's all part of the game, guys. Build those bags, stack those stats. Cryptocurrencies, let's see where we're at. Again, a lot green, a little red, little green, little red, little green, little red. But again, the top main 5 coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, USD, Solana are the top 5. Let me grab my phone. Actually, let me do this, guys. Let me show you guys something that I just posted on Instagram showing some crazy. Be ready to get amazed. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, 360 Crypto. I'll be posting here and there. I am gonna make a TikTok. I am gonna go over the ledgers that I do have. And check this out, guys. 5,000 Bitcoin. This was May 3rd, 2019. 5,000 Bitcoin. After hitting a high of 17,000. Let's put it 20,000. Again, I got in late November 2017. And again, guys, is build those bags, just build those bags. Look at the difference of the top 5. XRP is no longer in the top 5. Bitcoin Cash is no longer in the top 5. EOS is no longer in the top 5. Who is still on top? Bitcoin. So just that you know, guys, there is inflation. The dollar is losing its value. Put your money into other assets, real estate, IRAs, crypto. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your marbles into one basket, as they say. But look at this, guys. The top 5 has changed. September 21, 2018. Too bad I cut it off, how much it was, but again, cut it off. Oh, and I didn't cut it off here. So 6,000, August 16, 2018. This is where I was stacking my coins. This is where I was stacking Bitcoin. This is where I was stacking Ethereum. I was stacking Bitcoin Cash, EOS. Unfortunately, XLM I do not have any more. Litecoin I was stacking. Just look at this. Look at these prices. Look at these old prices. 6,000 for Bitcoin. Who would have thought that we would be here? That we would be at 5,000 and what, 58,000. But who would have thought that? Nobody. It's just crazy, guys. Again, just stack those stats and continue to build those portfolios. Again, let's just look at the past. Let's just look at the past. When I started, I was constantly posting. I wanted to build something back then, and now was the time. I built something, and I'm happy, guys. I'm happy to talk my passion about you guys, about crypto. Look at Binance, bro. Oh no, this is OX. I'm sorry. 0x. Again, they're a decentralized platform. Just look at it. We'll go more over this in detail and just show you guys and talk about it. And it's just crazy how, the good old days is what I call it, right? 5,700 Bitcoin. The good old days. Thank you guys once again. My name is Eric. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Stick with me. I'm learning how to talk into the microphone. I'm only going to get better. We're going to get better. We're going to grow better. We're going to grow together. And all the links are in the description if you want to invest into any cryptocurrencies and earn some free money. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.